Okay, now we will learn about some other special squares. So we've learned about numbers ending in 5. Now let's look at those numbers that start with 5. Right, we're looking at numbers starting with 5. Numbers starting with 5. Now if you see the squares of these numbers, you will notice something very interesting. 2601. This is 54 can be written as, this is 16 here, and this is when you do a square, you do a square of 4 and then you do the square of 5 is 25 and you add this number, so 2916. Similarly, the process is you write the square of this number, 2 decimals, so 2 points, 2 digits. 53 square is 9, 3 square is 9. So for 3 square we will say we have 09. For 5 square is 25, you add this number itself, so 2809. 59, similarly we will use 81 for the square of 9. 25, which is 5 square, and then you add this, 25 plus 9 is 34. Right? So it works for all numbers starting with 5. Now it may not be a very large number set that it works for. It's good to know the process. See, we've said any numbers ending in 5, we're talking about numbers starting with 5. So let's say those numbers that we haven't got, 5 square, 52 square, 04, which is 2 square, 25 plus 2 is 27. Right? 58 square is equal to 64. That's right. Quick, 25 plus 8 is 33. What are we left with? 6 square, 36, and we have 25 plus 3, 31. Anything else? Maybe 7 as well. 49, and this is 25 plus 7, 32. An interesting thing you will also notice, you're increasing a number here and increasing square of the number here as well. But that's not very relevant to the process that we are talking about. But if you see this, essentially this process continues. 31 increases to 32, then it increases to 33 when we go into 58. This is 6 square, this is 7 square, this is 8 square, and so on and so forth. Good thing to know for numbers that are starting with 5 and the squares of them.